I think we are logging into the MATLAB workspace. Yes. See here, you have a sine wave, beautiful sine wave. X is equal to 0 to 6 in steps of 0.2. We have a sine wave. Now we are going to find the moving average of the sine wave. So you know the function move mean of x comma k. We are going to use that syntax and see here. Create a vector named ym9 that contains the centered 9-point moving average of y. So they have given how much point you have to consider. So move mean of y comma 9. Is it clear? I am going to find the 9-point moving average of y. So at a time, my window is going to have 9 points. So I'll see whether this equation is correct. Yes, this is going to be correct. And maybe if you plot x comma ym9, we'll see what is the answer for, or how will the mean graph look like. This is the average value. This is your actual sine wave. And here you see this is the average value of sine wave over the, or for the positive half cycle, the average will be positive. For negative half cycle, the average will be negative. That is what is shown here. I think you can understand, right? They have not asked us to plot, but I'm just plotting you to show how the average will look like. Assume if we change this to 2, we are making it less. You can see the change in the waveform. You are taking 2-point mean. Assume I'm taking 10-point mean. You see how the waveform is changing. Assume I'm taking 15-point mean. See how the waveform is changing. So according to the average, when you take the average, the waveform will change because my points in the window is going to be changing dynamically. Okay. So I have found this to be correct. So this is the plotting command. Next task, you see, use ym9 as a function of x with plot markers and add a solid line. And that's what they're asking us to plot the. They're asking us to plot this mean along with the same graph using hold on and hold off. You know, when you want to plot multiple, when you want to plot multiple things using MATLAB, you know how to do it. I'm using hold on to plot x comma ym9 comma. It's solid line means dot dash, and I'm going to use a marker, okay, and hold off. So I'm going to plot the normal sine wave and the average in the same graph. Okay. So plot x comma ym9. So I'm plotting the average with the solid with this marker, and I'm going to give dot dash means it is going to be the marker is going to be dot and dash means I'm going to use a solid line. Okay, so this is the task. I have used the command hold on and hold off. Okay.